Layher Allround scaffolding, with its unique connection technology, has established itself as the synonym for modular scaffolding. Its main use is for complex and ambitious scaffolding construction, in applications where conventional scaffolding technology cannot be used to the optimum. A hammer blow on the wedge transforms the connection from structural assembly to superbly strong force-transmitting rigidity. Up to 8 connections can be made in the structurally ideal all-round connector at one node and at freely selectable angles. Forget about tiresome measurement and time-consuming bolting work. Forget about messy tube coupler connections too. Persuasive in respect of profitability thanks to its unlimited possibilities for use, thanks to unbeatably fast assembly, thanks to all-round's versatility as a modular system. 3 basic elements: standard, ledger, diagonal brace plus application-specific accessories make up the all-round system. Also, during erection work, maximum safety for both scaffolders and users, even at great heights, is assured by every joint using the all-round wedge connection system. All-round scaffolding consists of ledgers, standards, diagonal braces and accessories in practical lengths. Wherever temporary access or high loading capacities are needed, all-round scaffolding is always the optimum solution. The lightweight accessories with practical dimensions make for efficient transport and faster assembly and dismantling. The unique bolt-free connection technology ensures very short assembly and dismantling times. That way, you can use your scaffolding material much more frequently. You can always work profitably with Layher's all-round scaffolding. Assembly using traditional scaffolding techniques for comparison proves it. All-round scaffolding holds all the advantages. The highly versatile modular scaffolding with a logical assembly sequence and very fast connection technology ensures very short erection and dismantling times, markedly lower labor and transport costs, and a smaller material requirement. Layher's all-round scaffolding, you can maximize your profits. Layher decks, providing both a safe working platform and a reinforcing effect wherever needed in the scaffolding. With modular lengths, they can be used for various load groups. The claws of the decks slide rapidly and reliably into the receiving transom during assembly. A lift-off preventer secures the decks and obviates the need for longitudinal ledges parallel to the decks. This material and weight saving adds to the advantages for assembly and transport. Scaffolding decks are available in hot-dip galvanized steel, in aluminium, in solid wood, or in an aluminium frame with laminated wood, depending on the application and on the scaffolding group. With site-oriented accessories such as brackets for widening scaffolding bays or lattice girders for projections and bridging, the system gives you built-in assembly benefits. For access inside the scaffolding, you can choose between an inside ladder or stairway. Hatch-type decks with ladders permit access inside the scaffolding. Platform stairs are built in front of the scaffolding for more effective access to all levels and also to assure unhindered working. With standard all-round scaffolding parts, you can build a range of stairway towers. Thanks to its high load-bearing capacity, all-round scaffolding is the basis for a variety of stairway towers, meeting the highest standards when it comes to loading capacity and safety. Bolted spigots in the all-round standard are essential to support the loads resulting from material saving and precisely fitting suspended scaffolding as needed in shipyards, bridges, refineries and chemical plants. Extremely high loading capacity is achieved by combining all-round standards with the unique double wedge coupler to create a heavy-duty support. By duplicating supports, almost any structures needed can be built. All-round scaffolding can also be a high-strength support structure, both for protection using the Layher Protect system and for roofing using Layher's Cader roof or cassette roof. Rolling tower structures are quick to build. Casters with appropriate loading capacity and the flexibility of all-round scaffolding open up a wide range of possible uses. All Layher products are designed as modular systems and are hence compatible with those in other systems. Depending on the requirement and application, you can combine Layher's all-round and SpeedyScaf equipment. This intelligent and economical Layher solution enhances not just your flexibility. For assembly and dismantling, national safety regulations must be complied with. Layher will help you find the right solution. With Layher all-round scaffolding, in steel or in aluminium, you're investing in a perfected and complete system for rapid, safe, very profitable and highly versatile scaffolding construction. Layher Allround. The original with the bright red sticker sets the standards worldwide.